Question 12. Two student groups went to an amusement park on the same day. Group 1 bought 9 tickets and received a $120 discount. Group 2 bought 3 tickets and received a $30 discount. Both groups spent the same total amount of money on tickets. The price of each ticket was the same. What was the cost of each ticket? So I need to make an equation out of this problem. So I'm going to look at group 1 first. And it tells me they bought 9 tickets. But I'm looking for the cost of each ticket. And when we don't know, that's when we want to use a variable. So I'm going to pay this price 9 times. So I'm going to put an X on that 9. And it says we received a $120 discount. Discount tells me that I'm going to subtract. We get to take $120 off of our total. So I'm going to subtract 120. So when I look at group 2, it says group 2 bought 3 tickets. So 3 tickets, but we don't know the price. So we're going to use that X. And they received a $30 discount. So we're going to take $30 off of their price. And finally, it says both groups spent the same total amount. Same is going to tell me they equal. All right. So I'm going to go ahead and solve this out. I'm going to start by moving my smallest variable. So I have 9 x's and 3 x's. 3x is my smallest. And right now it's a positive 3x. So I'm going to do the opposite. I'm going to subtract 3 x's from both sides. So 9 minus 3 is 6x. And then minus 120. And that's going to give me negative 30. Okay. Then I need to get my constants on both sides. And so right now I need to move my negative 120 to the other side. And I'm going to do that by doing the inverse or the opposite of negative 120, which would be to add 120 to both sides. So I have 6x equals. So in my calculator, I'm going to type negative 30 plus 120. And when I click enter, that gives me 90. And then my final step to solve this equation is going to be to divide by my coefficient. That's my 6 because that's multiplying to my x. So I get x equals, and when I type in 90 divided by 6, it tells me 15. So when I look at my answer choices, I can see 15 is C.